Hey there friends, welcome to DoodleToots TV. I'm DoodleToots and I love to draw. And if you love to draw as much as I do, you're in luck because today we're going to draw a Minecraft zombie. Okay, so before we get started on this zombie, let's make sure that we have the colors we need so we can start and complete this drawing. So as always, I use black as my outline color, gotta have that one. We're also gonna need 2 greens for our zombie body, and then we're gonna need a teal color for his shirt, a purple for his pants, and gray for his shoes. Okay, so go get your colors. That's 2 greens, a teal, a purple, a gray. Go get them, come right back. Now, starting with our outline color, let's put a large square at the top, okay? And then we'll come in just a little bit on each side, make a line here. These are our guides. This is where we're going to start. This is where we're going to finish, okay? We're going to make a big rectangle. Now, you might be going, wait a second, DoodleToots, this looks a lot like a creeper outline. Well, you would be right. It does look like a creeper outline, but this is going to end up being a zombie, I promise you. So let's do a little line here, go down and complete that box right there. And let's do the same thing on both sides. So out, down, and then over, okay? And then we're gonna extend this line about 2/3 of the way across. So about like that, okay? And then we're going to do a little staircase drawing down. So go down, over, okay? And that's going to be his untucked shirt. And we'll come down here with a line straight down and then a line across. And that's going to make his legs and his shoes. And then let's give some sleeves on his shirts with a line there and a line there. Okay, now we need to give the collar of his shirt. So we'll do a staircase down and then a staircase back up. Okay, so starting just left of center, we'll go down, over, and then up, over, up. There we go, just like that. Okay, now we need to make his hair, or I guess the top of his head-ish. So we'll go over, up, and we'll go across, and then we'll go up a little notch here, and then we'll go over. Okay, now let's do his eyes and his nose. So we'll do a rectangle, and we'll connect that rectangle here with another rectangle, and then we'll go up, like that. And then we just need to color these eyes in. And there we have it. We've drawn our Minecraft zombie. Now it's time to color. So let's start with this lighter green. And we will color in his arms. I'm going to start with his arms first. Okay. And then we will come over here to this arm. Okay, now the rest of his body down here is going to be covered in shirt, pants, and shoes. So let's just make sure we get the collar right here. And then let's get his face. So we'll get everywhere except his hair and his nose. That's going to be that darker green. Okay? So we'll just fill in. Here we go. And then across here. And there we go. Now, if you need to pause, that's always fine. You can pause and keep coloring, and then you can press play once you catch back up. Okay, so the darker green for his nose and for the top of his head, hair area. Okay, there we go. Now, next we want to do his shirt. So I'm going to grab this teal color. I'm going to do his sleeves here and this sleeve here. And then let's get inside here, around the collar, down the untucked shirt, because zombies are not very neat, correct? Okay, get inside his shirt. And again, if you need to pause because I'm going too fast, that's totally fine. Catch back up. Do purple for his pants. And here we go. And lastly, we have gray for his shoes. And there we go. we have done our Minecraft zombie. So let's see him walk across. Okay, so when you finish, this is what I want you to do. When you finish your Minecraft zombie, I want you to give me your best Minecraft zombie on 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. How was it? Was mine good? How was yours? Okay. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for stopping by to draw with me. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye. Whoa. Make sure that before you go, you like this video and that you are subscribed to our channel so you can stay connected to all of the DoodleToots TV content. Also, if you just like to color, head over to DoodleToots.com/color and you can download the coloring pages for any of the drawings that we've done so far. Get out there and have fun, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.